Hello everybody! This is the second video of my project Artist vs Brand, and today I'm gonna show you how I created this Gucci inspired coral snake shirt. So let's begin! I will use white men's shirt, and here is the image of the snake I will paint. I will place the snake around the neck, so this way design will look very interesting, like it's a real snake. First I will paint snake with pencil, else I will use eraser if I will need to erase wrong lines. Now I begin to paint with colors. I will use white, red, yellow and black colors for the stripes of the snake and blue and brown colors for the shadows. First, I simply paint the stripes of the snake. To add the volume, I will paint shadows first. And now I will paint light. Shadows for the white stripes. Light for the black stripes and contour of snake. Now I will show you how I detailedly paint the skin of the snake. This way I will paint all the body, so the snake will look very realistic. And of course the back side. The painting is finished. Thanks for watching. This shirt and many other ink and pen clothing you can find in my Etsy shop. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Also write your thoughts, your questions. See you!